is ready to try something new. Ooh, could Elmo help Julia and Abby rebuild their mini city?
Elmo, help!
Yeah, we love that.
Oh, cool! Then let's imagine a city! Just imagine what could happen. Just imagine. Come on, let's build a mini city for us, taking in the sights as we drive our bus.
Skyscrapers and trees rising up from the ground.
'Cause we're working together, there's no stopping us now.
Just imagine what could happen. Just imagine. And here. Great idea, penguins! One mini skating rink coming right up!
What all this?
It's our magnificent mini city, and we built it all ourselves.
Surprise! Surprise!
Oh, that's right, Julia. We used some of Alan's dishwashing supplies to make a surprise.
Yay!
It's a bubble fountain.
Oh.
Yeah, turns out Elmo and his friends can make their own fun when they're feeling bored.
Yeah, all we need is our own imagination.
That's right.
Thank you. No need to cheer, though. Well, you could cheer a little bit, because I figured out how to keep Big Bird's Sunday cool.
Thanks, Grover, but one question. How am I supposed to eat it?
You could put it in the oven. Or microwave. Does anybody have a hair dryer?